Oh yeah, there's guys right with me.
Dude, if you want, grab the Jeep and hightail it down here.
Oh shit, I'm gonna have to fight this motherfucker. He pushed out. He ran away on me. What the fuck?
Grab the Jeep, man. Get that ride safe.
Hold
Yeah,
on,
get
hold
the
on,
fuck
hold
out
on.
of Dodge.
Hold on. No, he's right here. I might have to kill him. Where'd he go? Oh, he's right. He's running on the road. There's one of them. He's gonna try and run me over. I'm gonna kill him. Got one kill.
Nice.
Oh, there's the other guy going to this building right here.
Trying to get to you.
Yeah, I'm coming.
This guy's trying to hit me with the car. Meanwhile, his buddy's going to the building.
That's me shooting. It's out of the car.
There's a Dacia way
Holy
back in
fuck,
town anyway.
Two guys are fighting me. Oh, I got 3 guys on me right now. This is gonna go great.
Nigga.
Oh, one's down.
Bob and weave and Bob.
Okay, another
One's
one's
down.
dead. Oh, I got 3 kills here. Fuck.
Dude, you're doing
Nice.
amazing.
Oh my god, that was fucking insane. I'll defending that shit in a moment.